All right, all right. Oh my man, my camera just doesn't want to play, does it? This happened before to me. Well, we are live. Bitcoin has completely smashed through the all-time high. Completely smashed through the all-time high. Check this out. Okay. Maybe I'm not streaming yet. Just holding on here. Thought I had it all set up. All right. Yeah, my software is doing well. Okay, hello everybody. How we doing? So Bitcoin just smashed through the all-time high, and it smashed through. I mean, there was a big jump. It was pretty cool. I was just checking on some trades, and boom, smashes through 104 500. Smashes through 104. 104 500 went up to 105 227 very quickly. Now it's retracing back a bit, but what an exciting time for Bitcoin. Really, really exciting time for Bitcoin. Check this out. Today, we were last couple hours, we were just kind of bouncing around 103 territory. And then right here, this was probably about, I don't know, 10, 15 minutes ago, decide to make a run upwards. And so if you've watched some of my videos, you've seen us look at this right here. Let's go on to the 1 hour. Let's go to the 1 day chart. You have seen us, I'm new to this streaming software. It's a new one. See. Yeah, I'm having technical difficulties here. Can you see me? YouTube is not receiving enough video to maintain smooth streaming. Wow. I thought my internet was pretty good here. Can you see me? Please put it in the chat. Canada's here. Thank you, Michael. I appreciate Canada being here. Exciting things for Canada this year. All right, good. So I think you all can see me. I'm sorry, I'm having some technical difficulties. I've been having some low latency issues. It must be my internet, but I thought I was hooked up very strongly. Apparently not. Neither here nor there. Let's take a look at some of this. So Bitcoin, Bitcoin going to be on a tear. This is going to be good. Just when you thought we'd stay around 103 with all the news coming out right now with Bitcoin, and there is a lot of news. There is a lot of news around Bitcoin. So there was rumors. This is not fact, but rumors of a strategic Bitcoin reserve day one of a Trump presidency through an executive order. Now, that would be something, wouldn't it? We see China, Russia talking about front running U.S. and trying to front run the U.S. We look at Michael Saylor buying Bitcoin like it's going out of style, and it's not. It's not going out of style. You look at the inflows to the ETFs, just nonstop inflows. When the market dipped, they were buying. The smart money was buying Bitcoin. And I took some chances on Bitcoin a couple of years back when it was a little lower, not a couple of years, about a year back. I've taken chances on Bitcoin for a couple of years now, and crypto in general, like many of you out there. And gosh, this is really turning out to be a pretty exciting run. I can't think you can ask for a more perfect storm of events that are happening right now between, Wednesday, big meeting, FOMC, the Federal Open Market Committee, Jerome Powell, the Federal Reserve Chair, they're going to make their interest rate decision and release that at 2 p.m. Eastern Standard on Wednesday. That could impact markets. I did a bit of video about it this morning that I put out. Very simply put, if it's as expected, right now there's let me see if I have that not up here, but the CME group does a Fed watch, and 97.1% chance they're going to lower the target rate by 0.25%. That means more liquidity, more money, flowing. Less money paid in interest means more money in pockets. More money in pockets means more investable assets. And right now, there's the S&P has been on a tear for a long time. Stocks have done fairly well over the last couple of years. Interest rates have been high in savings account. You're getting 5% on your savings account up until recently. And so now as that savings rate goes down, people are going to look for a place to put their money. And they look at places such as they look at asset classes. They look at stocks, bonds. But now they're going to be looking at crypto more so in the past. Michael Saylor's MSTR or MicroStrategies going to be listed on the NASDAQ 100. That means that some portfolios have to have that in there. So there's going to be some buying of the MSTR to put in there. Now, I'm not saying it's going to go up and to the right consistently. There's going to be volatility. There's going to be traders trading. There's going to be leveraged moves. There's going to be volatility. So it's an exciting time for crypto. Why am I so jacked up on this? Is because the next part is the alt season. We're going to see Bitcoin push the limits. And I don't know. Maybe money is going to stay flown to Bitcoin. If there is a strategic reserve going to be put in place and the United States is going to be buying crypto. I mean, the United States is a huge whale. I mean, they're the biggest whale on the planet. They're about I think I read somewhere that they're a third. Someone correct me around if you can, but they're a third of the GDP out there, a third of the actual GDP. So if they're buyers, then, maybe people are going to hold Bitcoin. Maybe they won't sell it. Maybe they won't buy altcoins and they'll buy more Bitcoin. Maybe there won't be an altcoin season. Maybe we've seen the altcoin season. I don't truly believe that. Or I should say my confirmation bias won't allow me to believe that because I really want to see the 3, 5, 10Xs that are possible in altcoin season with some of the other altcoins that I own. I'd like to see Ethereum take a run at it. I'd like to see Sui continue to rise. I'd like to see Sol make an honest effort at it. So these are the things. So anyway, crypto, what an exciting time. Bitcoin, back over 100, all-time high. Now it's retreated back. It has retreated back to under 103. So I'm sorry, 104,885. No, it's still going up. I got some bad info there. And we're looking at it, just look at this breakout. It just busted above this orange line, and second it ran. It ran up hard. Now, I don't know if the other cryptos are following suit. Ethereum up 2%, Sol's up 2, XRP's up 2, Peanut up 1. I don't want to talk about Peanut. Uni, so not huge moves in the other ones. Bitcoin just pulling itself up, busted through this line, this orange line. If I can pull you out a little bit, this orange line represents just a line I drew about kind of some support or resistance, and it hit that resistance, busted through. We said it earlier today in the video. I probably have some lines drawn on the 1-day chart. Let's take a look at this one. Yeah, there they are. Still have my lines drawn. And I said, we hit here, we went up. If we go above this line right here, we're going to go up again. Lo and behold, boom. We're going to head up. Maybe. Don't know how long it will last. What are you thinking? What are you doing? What's going on with your trades? What's going on with your hodling? What are you going to do with Bitcoin? Leave a comment down below. I'd love to hear from you. Didn't really get a lot of people. I had some technical errors in the beginning of this one. Didn't get a lot of people on here at all because really struggled in the beginning with some technicals. And YouTube's probably not showing it because there's some latency issues that I got to figure out and fix for next time. But don't let that stop you. Check out the channel, like, subscribe, share, and I'll see you next time. And if I can figure out how to get out of